do anatomy and physiology and architecture have in common? Answer: this guy. This is Louis Sullivan, American architect in the late 1800s, often considered the father of skyscrapers. What does that have to do with anatomy? Well, Louis Sullivan, when he was designing his buildings, had an ideology that the design of the building should match the functionality of the buildings, and he drew some of his ideologies from nature. And he's actually quoted saying, "Whether it be the sweeping eagle in his flight, or the open apple blossom, the toiling workhorse, the blithe swan, the branching oak, the winding stream at its base, the drifting clouds over all the coursing sun, form ever follows function, and that is the law." Now, this ideology that form follows function is a key theme in anatomy and physiology. What a structure looks like will tell us a little bit about what it does, or vice versa. If we know what it does, we can make a hypothesis about what it looks like. Good example of this is the intestinal lining. We know that the intestinal lining is involved in absorption, so there needs to be a high surface area. So there's folds over the intestinal lining, which we call villi, and then even the cells themselves have folds in them, microvilli, that help increase the surface area. So this idea that form follows function gives us a hypothesis to work from in anatomy and physiology, and is a key theme in the anatomical sciences. Now you know. Later.